Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to zip a file in Windows 11. So guys, if you want to zip some files in your PC in Windows 11, so there are some easy steps and easy method. One of them, just to select files. For example, if you want to make a zip for these files, so select this all and right click of any of them, then click on compress to zip file. And here you can give the name like zip1. So we have this now zip folder, and in this zip folder these all files are here. So to open it, double click on it. So as we can see, here is the listed all files which we added in this zip folder. So this is the way guys you can create a zip folder in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.